Welcome to this new tutorial. In this tutorial we talking about the transparency and fill up of material into the modeling part. So here we see here this icon is open up with its plus sign, and this is part 1, and this is extract all these planes and going to part body and pad 1 pad 2. So pad 1, right click on them and go to the properties, and we select the color and going to the transparency level and press apply and OK. So this is the transparent block of hexagon. So samely we going to the pad, right click on them, going to the properties and change the color and fill the transparency, apply OK. This is the transparent model of our sketch, and we fill this with different materials. So going to this apply material icon, if there is no presence, so right click on vertical bar or this horizontal bar, so click on them, and here is the apply material. Here click is nothing but the toolbar is present on the screen. So this is already presented. We going to this toolbar and we fill up this material to this directly. We going and this material or this material to this body. So apply material. Okay, so this is not showing here, so we going to the view features, and here we see the apply material box. This video is shading with material. So we going to this shading with material, and this is material box. So going to this, and we change the shading with the part 2. So apply material pad 2, here not coming other material, so we select this pad 2 and going to the this, and we apply this material, and to the pad 2 the overall is changing. So we sketch, selecting this sketch and apply material this, the overall sketch is selected here. So we going to the new sketch and new part, we making this for fill up material, other material combine with each other like this, apply material. So this is the very interesting part of this CATIA. So this is the lime material part. So thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope this video is useful for you. Fill up material and transparency features. So thank you. See you in the next tutorial.